What I wish I knew about economics back in middle school, it's all about choices. Like why Ramesh buys only apples. Welcome to Ramesh's Apple Obsession and Economic Insight. So, Ramesh walks into a fruit shop with just Rs 100. Apples and bananas are both fresh and cost the same. But guess what? Ramesh buys only apples. Why? He simply hates bananas. This, my friends, is what's called a corner solution in economics. It happens when someone spends all their money on only one good, ignoring the other completely, not because of price, but because of personal preference. In fancy economic terms, Ramesh's indifference curve doesn't touch the budget line in the middle. Nope, it hits the corner, where he chooses all of one good and zero of the other. Crazy, right? But it makes sense. Sometimes in life and economics, we don't always find balance. Sometimes we go all in on what we love and ignore the rest. So next time you see someone making a strong choice, remember Ramesh and his apples. That's a corner solution for you. If this story made economics feel real, like and share it with someone who always picks one thing over everything else.